fucking mouth for once.
Let's go. Let's start. All right.
Fucking calling a faggot.
Holy.
Good for me.
What the hell?
Do-do-do-do.
Come on.
I'm making it. Oh, he got squashed. Oh, whoa, whoa. I'm not getting crushed. I'm not getting crushed today. Oh, I'm not getting crushed. Ow! I got crushed. All right. Come on, Crypto. Come on, Crypto. We gotta make it, Crypto. Come on, Cripple Toe. We gotta make it. Oh, that didn't hit me. Oh my God.
Tire. Help.
They're right here. It shouldn't hit you. There we go. What is that noise? Okay, good. Okay, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm making it. I'm making it. Oh, nuts! Oh, nuts! Oh, no. Oh, no, I gotta make sure. Oh, nuts! It's coming! I'm almost there! Ah! I'm almost there. Oh! Aha! Oh no! Oh God, I'm making it. I'm close. I'm getting so close. I'm getting so close. Oh my God, I'm gonna make it! I was so close! No!
No, you weren't.
Yeah, I was. Yeah, I was. Yes, I was.
No, you're a loser.
No, you're the loser. Ha ha, you're a loser. Ha ha, you're a loser. You're a loser. You're a loser.
Hey, Aaron, you're Aaron.
No, I'm not listening to you.
Aaron,
I'm focusing. Shut up. Ah! No. Come on, come on. Ow! Show your fault!
Hey, Crypto. Yeah.
Boys, wait! Everybody, respawn! Everybody turn small!
Okay, I'll turn small. Alright, everybody, let's go! Let's play a game!
Let's go! Come on! Enemy forces firing shots!
These are like checkpoints. You can hide behind them.
We are going to make it.
Watch out!
No matter what, we are going to make it.
If a chair or a table or
Alright, let's go!
Let's go. Oh no!
Lord of mercy.
You'll just turn into a big bloody mess.
Oh my God! There's a giant!
You idiot.
Okay, let's see. I'll try and make it through like
On
this.
the enemy forces!
Nothing happened.
Oh my God, I was so close to being hit.
You sound so upset.
Oh my God, I felt like I was gonna get hit for a second.
I am bulletproof.
Okay, get on to the side, get on this side, get on this side, and the stuff won't fall onto you. I'm gonna make it! I'm gonna make it! Oh my God, I made it! Victory, everybody, I did it!
I did it first, and then I came down to help y'all. I don't want to hear it.
Well, guess what? Screw you, cause I just did!
Vending machine. Oh God.
Well, guess what, poopy head, you're down there, and I'm up here, baby!
Okay. I got up here in 3 minutes and 46 seconds.
I still got up here the same way.
Oh, that's fine. Alright, that's good. I'm winning.
Yep, you're bad.
What's it doing?
Look, you have to not try as hard, because then you'll make the video longer.
Hey there, buddy. Guess what?
What? Stop!
Oh no.
Down there.
Whee!
You're gonna die already. This is a battlefield error. Both of y'all are gonna die.
But Tiny is mighty. Tiny is mighty.
Okay, so
Dang it! It's all your fault, Glitch.
how is it my fault?
Yep, it's your fault. You're banned.
Okay, if I was president, I'd ban containers from ever existing.
Coming down.
We need to
Coming
go
down.
play.
Crypto, what are you doing, Cripple Toe?
Oh! Still coming down.
We gotta go
Get
play.
out the way! Get out the way! Get out the way! Get out the way, Skibbity, get out the way! Get out the way, Skibbity, get out the way! Get out the way, Skibbity, get out the way! Get out the way! Get out the... I'm banned! I'm banned! I'm banned! I did it again! I did it again! And you fellas are still down there! Cause you!
Buddy, I did it
You
too.
are not as good as... Okay, what you fellas down here?
Yeah, you die. You all die.
You guys are bots at the game! No! Get better! Yo, I'm gonna do what those one goofy eye YouTubers do. You ready? You ready? Do you wanna know how to help them? All you have to do is click the like and subscribe button. Thank you! 5,
It threw me in the middle.
4,
Duck.
3,
Oh,
2, 1. Did you subscribe? I'll be watching you.
I'm here. Here.
You made it! Come here, come here, come here, come here. You made it.
That shit on me. That shit actually fucking happens. I'm gonna kick your ass.
Talking just gets killed.
Yeah, you just get, yeah, exact same thing.
I wanna go get
Bro, get your guy out of my...
jump on crypto. I'm gonna go jump on crypto. I just need to get the right materials to spawn in, like a tire or something.
Okay.
Not the containers! Table, table, table. Tables, tables, tables. Hit me, hit me, hit me. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Come on, come on, come on. Again, again. Not the goddamn thingy majiggy. Oh god, no, no, no. Tires, tires, tires. Crypto. Come on, throw me, throw me. I said.
Okay, I guess we can go down there. All right, I'm coming. I'm coming.
You're gonna get...
Oh, oh god.
I hope you reach...
I get killed even if I'm small. I can literally dodge all this. Wait, I dodged it. See?
I'm so mad.
I look all so static. Uh
Sing it, Bruce.
The
Sing it.
tire just hit me in the head. Ow.
oh. All right, I'm gonna make it again.